Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 5 lesson number 7 agriculture and irrigation in Pakistan. Today we are going to do its exercise. It is page number 66. Let's start. Question number 1 is what makes Punjab the best farming area in Pakistan? And its answer is the fertile soil and irrigation system makes Punjab the best farming area in Pakistan. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2. Differentiate between a Kharif and a Rabi crop. Give an example of each. And the answer of question number 2 is in summer we grow Kharif crops, for example cotton, rice, maize, etc. In winter we grow Rabi crops, for example wheat, gram, masoor, etc. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3. Which crop makes up Pakistan's largest export? Where is it grown? And its answer is cotton is the leading export of Pakistan. The main cotton growing areas are Southeast Punjab and parts of Sindh. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3. Which crop makes up Pakistan's largest export? Question number 3 हो गया. Question number 4. Differentiate between a cash crop and a food crop. Give examples of each. And its answer is cash crops are grown for export. These crops bring money to the country, for example cotton, sugarcane, tobacco, etc. And food crops are grown for feeding the people, for example wheat, rice, maize, etc. This is the answer of question number 4. Question number 5. Why is livestock an important part of agriculture? And its answer is livestock plays an important role in Pakistan's agriculture because farmers use animals to plow the fields. Also, we get milk, meat, wool, and skins. This is the answer of question number 5. Question number 6. Explain what is meant by staple food. What is the staple food crop in Pakistan? And answer of question number 6 is staple food means the food which form the basis of the everyday diet of a community. The staple food of Pakistan is wheat. ठीक है. This is the answer of question number 6. Question number 7. Why is irrigation so important for farmers in Pakistan? And its answer is Pakistan is a dry country. It receives less rain, so farmers cannot depend only on rainfall for their crops. They depend on irrigation to get a regular supply of water. This is the answer of question number 7. Question number 8. How much of our arable land is under irrigation? And its answer is In Pakistan, more than 80% of the total arable area is irrigated. This is the answer of question number 8. Question number 9. Describe some of the different ways in which farmers irrigate their land, and its answer is the different ways in which farmers irrigate their land are: first one is canals, second is charsa, third Persian wheel, 4 curries, 5 tube wells. These are the different ways for irrigation, and this is the answer of question number 5. Next page, it is 67 page, work page. Experts recognize crops and plants from their important features. Can you guess which crop is contained in each of the boxes below? First one is needs high temperature, needs plenty of water, a cash crop used to make sugar and gur, and its answer is sugarcane. Next is Iri, Basmati, Desi are varieties of this crop, grows in warm climate, needs lots of water. It is also exported especially to the Middle East, and its answer is rice. Next, third one is a good source of protein, grows well in sandy soil, needs well drained soil, and its answer is pulses. Next, fourth one is hardy cereal crop, can grow in poor soil, has 2 main varieties, needs little water, used mainly for animals and birds feed, and its answer is millet, jowar and bajra. Next is grows in mild temperature, little rainfall, staple food, sown in October and November, over 22 million tons yield per year, and its answer is wheat. Next is Pakistan's main cash crop, needs high temperature, moderate rainfall, exported as yarn, fabric and clothing. Annual production is about 13 lakhs balls, and its answer is cotton. Next, B part. Complete these statements with suitable words from the lesson. First one is the animals which provide us with most of our milk, buffaloes. Next is 2 desert areas where sheep and goats survive, Thar and Cholistan desert. Third one is the number of kilograms in a ball of cotton, 170 kg divided by 2.2 is equal to 77.2 pounds. ठीक है, उन्होंने क्या बोला, हाउ मच इज दिस इन पाउंड्स, पाउंड्स में इसको मालूम करना है, तो इसका आंसर 77.27 पाउंड्स. फोर वन इज 5 kinds of oil seeds, castor seed, linseed, sesame, mustard and cotton seed. C part. Look at a large map of Pakistan and write down the names of 8 rivers: Indus, Sutlej, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Panchnath, Hunza, Hab. 4 dams: Mangla Dam, Varsik, Tarbela and Rawal Dam. 4 barrages: Guddu, Kotri, Panjnath, Taunsa.